Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video I've got Cosihome Premium Airbed. I'm going to do an unboxing and I'll show you what's inside. This is the Premium Airbed, king size, and don't expect me to sort of fill this up to a king size. Maybe for another video, but for now it's just unboxing and just sort of to give you an overview of what's inside and all the different features that are there. So it's a Premium Airbed with built-in pump, integrated pillow and advanced internal structure to provide exceptional comfort and all that good stuff. Built-in raised pillow, soft waterproof, structured air coils, and it's got electric pump for full inflation in 3 minutes. So you have disconnected to the electricity and you should be good to go. So yeah, Cosihome, that's the box over here, and pretty much the same information on this side. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Some certification information on this side. And what have we missed? We've missed certain oopsie daisy. So we've missed certain information here. That's the model number, Premium Airbed, batch number, size is the king size. That weighs 7 kilograms. The box weight is 7.63, so something that you should consider if you were sort of looking to move around. Power uses 120 watts for the filling up, probably for 3 minutes, and is air coil on the inside. So this is the box, king size. It's not small, it's fairly large, and it might be wrapped around on the inside. So something to consider when you're sort of looking to sort of use this, and perhaps might not be easy to sort of have this one kept handy for a camping exercise and stuff. Okay, so opening the box now, and you get a first-hand view of what's inside, as am I going to get the same. And there's a bag, as I can tell. I'm going to get it out. It's about 8 kilos, so I'm going to have to sort of work very swiftly. Okay, so that's the bag. It's come off now. Cosihome Airbed. Smells like rubber or something. Very smelly. But yeah, there we have it. And taking out the item from the bag. We've had one of our friends who've had an airbed which was leaking. So I don't know what they did with that, but there's like about 1 year warranty with this one. I haven't seen any documentation as such, but not too bad. Hopefully things don't leak with these things. But the way they're made, it's quite possible that as you keep filling up, deflating, inflating, it might just get damaged. But yeah, there we are. I'm going to take it out of the package, just give you an idea of what its sort of size looks like. Oops, not really coming off of that. Okay, so there's the electric inflator, and it's got batteries, I suppose. Oh, it's got, the plug, sorry. There's the plug that's hiding inside, and you can obviously put it back in just to make it nice and neat, and keep the cables safe and away from the rest of it. And it's been rolled basically, as you can see, it's been folded and rolled on the inside. And then the little slip server here. The first slip says repair kit instructions. Clean repair area thoroughly, press patch firmly over puncture, and do not inflate for 4 hours to allow repair to set. Okay, I don't know if there's any repair kit, punch kit anywhere, but it's some information to sort of keep handy. There are 3 of these and nothing else other than just that mentioned, so hopefully it's not punctured. It's fun to be sleeping on a tyre. Right, some warranty information. should mention somewhere. It's 12 months warranty. So that's what it is. It's a kind of a white beige type colour. I didn't know that was that, but there's these little springs on the inside. It says risk of suffocation, so just be careful with the kids. And yeah, not going to be able to sort of inflate this, sorry, but it's got a bit of a mess to sort of manage. This is the, oh, okay. It's got these different levels, so you go for deflate, off, and inflate. So it must be locking or unlocking on the inside. The valve, so it's in the inflate mode. I'm going to probably do that at some point, not now. And obviously there's also something over here which says pending or something, I don't know, just leave it as is. It's probably just to sort of deflate to a certain extent, or block or whatever, I don't know, just keep it as is. Put it back on, okay, and yeah, it's nice and snug. Yep, I don't think there's anything else. There's some spring thing going on all over. And the backs, oh, okay, so it might be very useful to have a look at the velvet on the inside. It's all velvet, which is good. Might still be cold because it's all rubber type material, plastic type material, I don't know. But on the inside it's all rubber, which looks very good. I'm hoping that we get good sleep on this airbed. But this was priced at 67 or something quid on Amazon. Again, Black Friday sale. I don't know what the price was before that. But yeah, that's where we're at on this specific item. If there's any questions or queries about Cosihome Premium Airbed King Size, do let me know. I will explore a little bit more about this product, and I will give you more information as I know more about this, really. So yeah, feel free to let me know if there's any questions or queries, and hope to see you in the next video, really. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.